Welcome back to the channel, fellow adrenaline junkies and photography enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of action cameras, specifically focusing on motorcycle adventures. Whether you are cruising through the countryside or navigating treacherous trails, capturing those moments in stunning clarity is a must. We have rounded up the 7 best GoPro cameras for you motorcycle escapists, ensuring your memories are preserved in the best quality possible. From waterproof capability to breathtaking 4K and 5.3K resolutions, we are here to guide you through your next purchase. Let's gear up and get started. At the first position of our list, we have the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This product continues to push the envelope, offering even more impressive features for motorcycle enthusiasts. Its standout upgrade is the larger sensor that captures more light, producing stunning image quality with rich detail and improved low-light performance. This enhancement is pivotal for riders capturing the essence of dusk and dawn rides in mesmerizing quality. The Hero 11 Black maintains the rugged waterproof design GoPro is known for, ensuring durability and reliability on the most adventurous rides. The camera not only excels in capturing 5.3K video at 60 fps, but also introduces new video formats and a wider field of view, giving riders more creative flexibility. Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization returns to redefine for even greater smoothness in your recordings. Usability is further improved with a more intuitive interface and extended battery life, ensuring you can focus more on your ride and less on managing your camera. The Hero 11 Black stands as a testament to GoPro's commitment to innovation, making it a top choice for riders seeking the ultimate in-action camera technology. At number 2, we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black redefined. So what's possible with action cameras? Sporting a new GP2 processor, this camera delivers double the performance speed, ensuring seamless navigation and faster capture rates. The leap to 5.3K resolution and 60 fps makes your motorcycle footage look more lifelike than ever, bringing every ride's acceleration into vivid clarity. The Hero 10 Black's design is built to last with a rugged exterior that's ready to tackle any adventure. Waterproof capabilities and the most advanced video stabilization to date, Hypersmooth 4.0 ensures that your videos are crystal clear regardless of how bumpy the ride gets. The camera's usability is enhanced by its responsive touchscreen and simplified menu, making feature access quicker and more intuitive. With features like 8x slow motion and 23-megapixel photos, the Hero 10 Black is not just an action camera, it's a powerful storytelling tool that captures every nuance of your motorcycle adventures. Next up at number 3, we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This product is a marvel in the world of action cameras, elevating the standard of motorcycle adventures. Its robust design, featuring a waterproof casing up to 33 feet without any additional housing, makes it a reliable companion for all weather conditions. The introduction of a new front-facing screen alongside the traditional rear touchscreen enhances usability for on-the-go framing and vlogging. Quality-wise, the Hero 9 Black boasts a 5K video capability, ensuring your motorcycle journeys are captured in exquisite detail. This leap in resolution not only brings your adventure to life with unparalleled clarity but also allows for crisp frame grabs of 14.7 megapixel. The camera's Hypersmooth 3.0 stabilization technology ensures the footage remains steady even on the bumpiest of rides. Durability and battery life have seen significant improvements, with a 30% increase in battery performance compared to its predecessors. This means more filming on a single charge, making it ideal for long rides. The Hero 9 Black's modular design also opens up a realm of customization with accessories, ensuring its effectiveness in capturing dynamic and immersive content for every motorcycle enthusiast. At number 4, we have GoPro Hero 8 Black. This product takes the legacy of its predecessors and enhances it with a sleek, streamlined design. Its integrated mounting system eliminates the need for a separate housing, making it easier than ever to attach to helmets and bike mounts. The Hero 8 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet, ensuring durability across all riding conditions. This model introduces HyperSmooth 2.0, GoPro's most advanced stabilization technology, offering 3 levels of stabilization for smooth footage at any speed. Its ability to capture 4K video at 60 fps alongside high-fidelity audio ensures that every detail of your motorcycle journey is preserved with precision. The Hero 8 Black's customizable modes also offers a new level of versatility and effectiveness for riders looking to capture the adventures in unique ways. Whether it's the media mode for enhanced audio, the display mode for front-facing screen capabilities, or the light mode for low-light conditions, this camera adapts to your needs. Its improved battery life and rugged construction are designed to withstand the demands of motorcycle riding, making the Hero 8 Black a standout choice for riders seeking a balance between innovation and reliability. The number 5 position is dominated by GoPro Hero 7 Black. This camera elevates the action camera market with its hallmark feature, HyperSmooth stabilization, offering gimbal-like steadiness without the gimbal. This innovation is a boon for motorcycle riders where road vibrations are a constant battle. The Hero 7 Black's design retains the compact ruggedness expected to GoPro, with enhanced waterproofing that dares riders to push their limits in any setting. Quality extends beyond its build, with the Hero 7 Black delivering 4K video at 60 fps at high resolution 12-megapixel photos, capturing every minute detail of your ride. The time wrap feature adds a dynamic element to videos, offering time-lapse sequences while on the move, adding a creative flair to your footage. Usability is further simplified with intuitive voice commands, letting you stay focused on the road while controlling the camera hands-free. Its durability, combined with cutting-edge features, positions the Hero 7 Black as an indispensable companion for documenting your motorcycle journeys. At number 6, we have the GoPro Hero 6 Black Renewed presents an attractive option. As a certified renewed product, it maintains the brand's standards for quality and durability, all while providing a more accessible price point. The Hero 6 Black features a rugged design, waterproof up to 33 feet, making it suitable for all your motorcycle expeditions regardless of the weather. The camera captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering smooth high-resolution footage of your rides. Its GP1 chip enhances image quality and stabilizes your video, ensuring that even the fastest-paced moments are recorded with clarity. The Quick Stories feature, enabled by the GoPro app, automates video editing, allowing riders to effortlessly share their adventures. Despite being a renewed model, the Hero 6 Black doesn't compromise on usability or durability. It's built to withstand the rises of outdoor activities, including the vibrations and shocks common to motorcycle riding. The device also offers advanced features like voice control and a simple one-button control, streamlining the recording process so you can focus on the ride. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the GoPro Hero 5 Black. This model stands out as a pioneering piece of motorcycle enthusiasts. This model broke ground with its robust design tailored for the rugged adventures of the open road. The waterproof feature, up to 33 feet without a housing, is a game-changer, allowing riders to capture their journeys in any weather condition. With its one-button simplicity and touch display, usability hits a new high, making it accessible for both novices and professionals. Quality and durability are where the Hero 5 Black shines, with its rubberized exterior providing a secure grip and resilience against drops and shocks. The camera doesn't just survive the journey, it records it in stunning detail with 4K video and 12-megapixel photos. The addition of video stabilization ensures that your footage remains smooth irrespective of the terrain's roughness. The Hero 5 Black's effectiveness lies in its versatility, featuring voice control, GPS, and a suite of editing software, making it a comprehensive tool for motorcycle vloggers and adventurers alike. And there you have it, the top 7 GoPro cameras for motorcycle enthusiasts. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, ensuring that no matter your needs, there's a GoPro that's right for you. Remember, capturing your journeys is about more than just documenting. It's about reliving those thrilling moments and sharing your adventures with the world. Ride safe and keep recording.